Since implementing NetSuite, we've probably doubled the size of our business. True is a purpose-driven brand with a vision to create a world of healthier people. We're an online business, we're selling direct to consumers, we're selling protein powders, protein bars, and a range of other health and wellness products. Annexa originally implemented NetSuite for us, and we worked really closely with Annexa. Before we decided to go with NetSuite, it was a bit of a pickle of systems, and our accounting software that we were using at the time just simply wasn't up to scratch. Before NetSuite, we just didn't have those numbers that we could trust. So one of the big drivers for us to put a system like NetSuite in was really thinking of the future of Drew and where we wanted to take the business. And we knew that we couldn't do that with our current systems.
We manufacture all of our products from start to finish, and so that conversion of raw ingredients to finished goods is a process. It takes time, it takes significant capital outlay, and it takes a lot of man hours and preparing to sort of scale up as we continue to grow.
We're also really looking at the customer journey as well and making sure that every experience the customer has with True is the very best experience they can have.
And the best way to do that is to know your customers and understand what their preferences are, age, training preferences, dietary preferences. All of these little pieces of information are really vital to us making the right calls around where we head in terms of new products, existing products, and even looking at expanding into other markets. NetSuite allows us to capture that information, analyze on it, report it, push it through into data visualization tools, integrate with data warehouse so that we're really in control of the information that we're using.
The data and information that we pull out of it really helps us to thrive as a business.
Your forecasting and demanding, the PO receipting process right through to, AusPost delivering our products to valued customers, the strategic elements of decision making with what's driving the business every day, which is the people and the choices that everyone's making. We actually tailored the dashboards to the users, so looking at user roles, different individuals within the business and what their needs were. If we have someone join the sales team, a dashboard has already been configured. It's just a question of ticking that box and adding that to their profile. Also being able to track what's working well and what's not in terms of the SKUs on a day-to-day basis. Without that information, you can't run a business.
Investing in NetSuite and the implementation was a big deal, and that's why we did such a thorough job in really making sure that we picked the right partner, being Annexa.
It's much more of a partnership and Annexa understanding our business and actually drive good ideas and creative ways of using NetSuite.
It was a decision that we're thankful that we made back then, because it really has allowed us to continue scaling as a business.